Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by verifying account and card region. This often blocks redemption. Sign in to the exact Steam account you use for purchases, then carefully read the printed code. Once logged in, avoid copying hidden characters. Type the code manually if the site rejects pasted input. Make sure your client is updated and online. Offline mode will fail. If you used a third-party reseller, gather order ID and receipt now. Those will be needed later when you contact support. Now, perform the actual redeem. Open Steam Desktop Client, choose Add a Game, then redeem a Steam Wallet code and enter the code. If the web page errors, clear cache or switch browsers. Temporary cookies or a VPN can interfere. Make sure you don't have pending holds on purchases and verify region locks and family or account spending limits. If Steam reports the code used, note the error message exactly. It tells you whether the issue is balance, region, or code validity. To finish, escalate to Steam support with clear evidence, a screenshot of the error, a photo of the card showing serial numbers, and your purchase receipt. Explain steps you already tried and include exact error text. This speeds resolution. Make sure the card isn't scratched open or previously redeemed. One key troubleshooting tip: if support asks, provide the original payment method and transaction ID. This proves purchase legitimacy and often resolves blocked redemptions faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.